YouTube unique name are really good if you are planning to make your channel a future brand. A brand could be anything but depend on your offering and popularities. Mr. Best is a name and it becomes so popular that it's a brand name now. In this video, I will guide you through how you can change your existing YouTube name to a unique name which is probably going to be a future brand name. Hi and welcome to yet another YouTube tutorial video. My name is Keshav, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It will help me grow, and at the same time I'll be making videos like this so we can grow together. In my previous video, I show you how you can create a YouTube custom name. In that video, I created a custom name using your name, which basically include your first name, middle name or last name. In this video, I will show you how you can create a totally unique name even though if you have YouTube channel under your name. Without further ado, let's create a custom and unique name for your YouTube channel. Just a reminder that you can only change YouTube name 3 times every 90 days. To eligible for the custom YouTube name, your channel need to have 100 or more subscribers. Your YouTube channel need to be at least 30 days old, have an uploaded profile pictures and banner image. In this demo, I will use one of my another YouTube channel. Let's go to youtube.com and navigate to channel. As you can also see, I have a profile picture uploaded, banner image is also included in the background, and I have more than 100 subscribers. In this demo, my current YouTube name is Keshav Raj and I would like to change it to Mr. Keshav. Does it sound familiar? To make unique YouTube name, click on the Customize channel. In the channel customization, you can see layout, branding and basic info in the top navigation. In this demo, to change the YouTube name, we go to basic info. You can see the current URL under the channel description. If your channel does not meet the custom name threshold, you will only see the channel URL which is located just before the custom URL name. As in this demo, my current YouTube name is Keshav Raj and I am going to change that to Mr. Keshav. To change the YouTube name to a unique name, we have to delete the current YouTube name. Click on the delete located under the current YouTube URL name. In a new window under the basic info, if you have nickname, please remove it for now. Don't worry, we will restore everything after we create our unique name. Write a unique name in the first name and leave the blank in the last name. In this demo, I am going to write Mr. Keshav in the first name and remove the last name and leave it empty. Click to save and we go back. Now scroll down to About section and click to the YouTube custom URL. A new page will open where you can remove your old custom URL. Click to remove and click to remove again. Your old custom URL is removed. Now let's go back to YouTube customization page and refresh the page. The old YouTube custom name is removed now and I have option to choose the new custom name, which includes Mr. Keshav, the one I just created in the profile. For this demo, I choose Mr. Keshav and click publish and confirm the new YouTube name. Hey, by the way, I have some pro tips while you are in the customization page. Do you know how to add a YouTube subscribe icon in the right corner of your YouTube channel, which help you get more subscribers. Let's do this. Under the custom URL, click to add a link. In the title field, write subscribe, and in the URL field, write your YouTube URL, youtube.com/your custom name, shop underscore confirmation equal to 1. In this demo, I write for the Mr. Keshav. This is how it looks when a user visits your channel and click on a YouTube icon. They will be asked to confirm the channel subscription. Now, let's test the new unique YouTube name. As you can see, it's working as expected. So let's go back to YouTube profile and change the name back to the original name. Save all the details. It looks good now. Let's refresh the channel customization page and see. As expected, everything looks perfect as we want it. So our unique custom YouTube name is live now. I hope you learn how to change your YouTube URL name to a unique brand name. If you think this video is useful, please help me grow by subscribing to my channel. Like the video, share with your friends. Until then, see you.